In this video, I'll show you how you can insert a VBA code in PowerPoint. First, what you need to do is you want to right click on top here on the help and you want to go to customize the ribbon. Let it load for a little bit. And when this is done loading, you'll see here on the right side, you want to enable developer, press OK. Now you will have the developer tab. You want to go in here, press on Visual Basic. Then you want to choose your presentation, right click, insert, and module. Now from in here you can insert your VBA code or whatever, the macro and stuff, and you can just put it in here. Then once that is done, what you want to do is head over to File, Save As, and you want to save it as a macro enabled. So this one. You want to save it, and then you want to press Save. So that's basically how you can do it in PowerPoint, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.